There's a nice text here, 36, where Lord Shiva is glorifying Lord Aniruddha, who is one of the Chaturvyuha, 4 expansions of Mul Sankarshan. Aniruddha is also expanded as these are the quadruple expansions, Vasudeva, Sankarshan, Pradyumna and Aniruddha. So Aniruddha, his expansion, is the deity of the sun god, or sun. Now this verse describes different names for the sun god. Text 36. Namo namo Aniruddhaya Rishikeshendriyatmane Nama Paramahamsaya Purnaya Nibritatmane. So there are different names here for the sun god. He's the sun god Paramahamsaya, Purnaya Nibrita Atmane. And it's called Rishikesh Indriyatmane. The mind is the director of the senses, and Lord Aniruddha, who is residing on the sun planet, he is the director of the mind. In order to execute bhakti, one has to fix his mind on the lotus feet of Krishna. In this verse, therefore, Lord Shiva prays to the controller of the mind, namely Lord Aniruddha, to be pleased to help him engage his mind on the lotus feet of the Lord. If Lord Aniruddha is pleased, then he can help the mind engage in the service of the Lord. Aniruddha is actually the sun god by virtue of his expansions. The predominating deity of the sun is an expansion of Lord Aniruddha. Lord Shiva also prays to the sun god in this verse with phrases like Paramahamsaya, Purnaya Nibrita. Aniruddha is the Lord of psychic action. Lord Shiva prays to Lord Aniruddha as the sun god, controlling deity of the external material elements. Vishnu says Paramahamsa in this verse, Nama Paramahamsaya, is another name for the sun god. The sun god is addressed here as Nibrit Atmane. It means that the sun god always maintains his various planets by manipulating the rainfall. The sun god in this verse is addressed as Purnaya, complete, because the rays emanating are also addressed as Purna. Because the rays emanating from the sun have no end. Millions and millions of years, the sun has been supplying heat and light. So Lord Aniruddha helps the devotee engage in devotional service by dint of his inexhaustible energy.